2003 Corvette with just 13 actual miles. Did you hear me say that okay? Just 13 actual miles. 2003 Chevrolet Corvette 50th anniversary, 1SC Convertible. And again, just 13 miles. Unbelievably beautiful car. This should be very desirable for any collector. Anniversary red on the exterior, Shale on the interior, and it has that beautiful Shale convertible top. Under the hood, 350 horsepower LS1 engine with automatic transmission, posi rear end. Now, factory features include the $5,000 1SC Preferred Equipment Group. This includes, of course, the 50th anniversary package, heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, F55 magnetic selective ride control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, auto headlights, performance axle ratio, dual power sports seats, dual electronic climate control, and it has that Bose stereo system, fog lamps. Everything on this car is power, of course. It has active handling, ABS, traction control. Comes with a clean one-owner Carfax, and this car is loaded with options. And as we said, this 50th anniversary convertible shows 13 actual miles. I don't know how you could possibly keep it at 13 miles just driving it in and out of the garage a few times. But this car, of course, is in outstanding condition inside and out. The paint's excellent, stunning shine, mild, deep shine, in fact. Convertible top is excellent, as are the factory 50th anniversary specific wheels. The interior of this Corvette shows excellent factory leather seats. In fact, we've had to take the plastic off of the driver's seat here to show you. The steering wheel, center console, and door panels, all excellent. The car features a corrosion-free subframe. It's been fully serviced. Everything on this car is ready to go. Don't ever assume that this is an average condition Corvette at all. Buyavette, we specialize in hand-picked Corvettes, and if there was a Corvette to be hand-picked, it would certainly be this one. So check this out. Give one of our sales representatives a call here at 770-414-5552. We're Buyavette.net, located in Atlanta, Georgia. And remember, we make buying online something you can do with ease and, more importantly, with confidence. And we ship nationwide. Every month we ship worldwide as well. We are one of the largest resellers of classic Corvettes in the country. So be sure to check us out. Give one of our sales representatives a call. And also, you want to see every new Corvette that comes to our showroom floor, be sure to click on the subscribe button here on YouTube. If you want to know more about the pricing and other beautiful photos of this car, be sure to click the link that's right below this video as well. Again, 13 miles, 2003 50th anniversary convertible. It doesn't get better than this. It doesn't get more outstanding. It doesn't get more beautiful than this car. So give it a good look here. Check out the other pictures. Give us a call, and let's put this car in your garage today. Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia.